Ranganathan first.
Good evening, Navika. If Modi visits a church or a mosque or a gurdwara, he is pandering to the minorities. If he visits a temple, he is pandering to the majority. Heads I win, tails you lose. Kare to kare kya? Jaye to jaye kahan? Wah, Modi ji, wah. Look, it is beyond any doubt that, like it or lump it, we are an intensely religious nation. A nation where 155 million of our infants, Navika, aged 1 to 3, are categorized as Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Christian, as if these infants told the census lady or census man what their religion is. It is a fact that everything we do somehow involves a prayer or an offering or a visit to the gods. That is an easy route to pleasing the voters, is therefore a given for our politicians. It's as simple as that. What do you think Mr. Secular Arvind Kejriwal has been doing this past week? Leave alone the fact that he doesn't know the definition of secularism.
So that's why we call Arvind Kejriwal as second hand of the BJP.
He is not only spending taxpayers' money in arranging for pujas and their live telecasts with blanket ads, he is now offering the voters of Goa free pilgrimage to holy places. Hindus ke liye Ayodhya, Muslims ke liye Ajmer, Christians ke liye Velankani, and we the taxpayers are selling out for the shameless vote bank politics. And he isn't alone in this. Oh, absolutely not. All politicians of all political parties do it. BJP's Shivraj Singh Chauhan Mamaji has been doing this for 10 years. The only people who are shortchanged, Navika, in all this are folks like me, poor atheists. And anyhow, the last people to be speaking of this are the temple-run brother-sister duo of the Congress. In their hurry to placate the Hindus, they don't even realize that theirs is a party that is entrenched in Hindu phobia. You don't believe me? Recall how Mahila Congress leader Balal made a Gau Mutra jibe, same as the Pulwama bomber. Recently, a Goa Congress leader Jalmi termed Hindu god Parshuram a terrorist and a rapist. Congress mouthpiece National Herald routinely publishes Hindu-phobic articles, including one where it said Hindu epics were replete with misogyny and Me Too instances. Remember, the Congress celebrates Tipu Jayanti despite knowing he demolished hundreds of temples and converted and butchered lakhs of Hindus. And who can forget the phrase saffron terror was coined by Congress, and that it wanted to pass the communal violence bill where only the majority, i.e. Hindus, would be held guilty in a communal riot. How many instances are there where the Congress has abused Islam? In fact, it demanded hanging of Amlesh Tiwari for making the comment considered Islamophobic.
But the question I'm asking you, Anand Ranganathan, the question I'm asking you, and let me take that to Dr. Anand Ranganathan. What is the video that you are showing?
Yes, no, this is the Mr. Kamran, the Congress spokesperson, was saying that why is Mr. Modi, being a head of a secular nation, secular country, why is he visiting temples? This is Rahul Gandhi visiting Somnath. Mr. Kamran, what do you have to say to that? And it is not just Mr. Rahul Gandhi has visited. Ms. Indira Gandhi used to regularly visit Somnath. She has visited all temples. Rajiv Gandhi has visited temples, accompanied by a plethora of...
The point, Mr. Anand Ranganathan ji, Anand ji, let me just counter it. Let me just make my point out here. Let me just make my point out here. No, Navika, if this happens like this, you make some baseless allegation, you don't allow me to revert, then what's the point?
You will allow interrupting, you will not allow others to speak, but you will cry when we are shown the mirror.
Rebut the questions that have been raised by Mr. Ranganathan.
Navika, the question, Mr. Kamran, just let me rephrase the question for you, for your ease. Was it wrong for Mrs. Indira Gandhi as a Prime Minister to visit the Somnath and other Hindu temples? Was it wrong or right? Yes or no?
Boliye.
Mr. Anand, the point here is who visits what or not. That is not the question. The question out here is the propaganda machinery that PM Modi uses to ultimately bring out his autocratic self. That is the point out here. The point is nothing.
जनेऊ पहन लो तो प्रोपेगेंडा नहीं है, इंदिरा गांधी चली जाए तो प्रोपेगेंडा नहीं है, मोदी जी जाए तो प्रोपेगेंडा है. If Modi ji is so popular, that the country sits and watches him.
What are the problems with the... No, Navika, I want...
Again we come back to you, Dr. Anand Ranganathan. जाएं तो कहाँ जाएं, करें तो क्या करें, करें तो कब करें? पोल के बाद भी दिक्कत है, पोल से पहले भी दिक्कत है, तो क्या करें? धर्म छोड़ दें?
No, Navika, you have to give me 1 minute because I'm going to talk only facts and demolish this kind of trope which my good friend Dr. Rahmani is peddling repeatedly. 4 times he said that Modi is now indulging in identity politics of Hindutva. मतलब बाकी सब कम्युनिटीज वहां जा रहे हैं, उसका कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन हर जगह मिस्टर रहमानी ये प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि मोदी सिर्फ हिंदू वोट के लिए. यू वांट टू नो द फैक्ट? Truth is, Modi as Prime Minister has done more for Muslims than he has for Hindus. Let me give you the facts. Has he taken control of mosques like he has of Hindu temples? No. Has he allowed Muslim women to continue to suffer the barbaric triple talaq? No. Has he disbanded the scholarship to Muslim students? No. In fact, he has given scholarships to more Muslims than Manmohan Singh did.
Publish the data. Publish the data.
Versus
Publish the
2.33
triple
crores.
talaq data.
Nathan,
You
complete.
cannot beat. You have to face the
Yes.
courts if you do it.
Yes, thank you. Navika, last time I asked a simple yes or no question. Mr. Chaudhary ran away like a wet cat. Now he has started to interrupt me. So I know I'll be interrupted again, but let me just take this opportunity to ask another yes and no question to my good friend Mr. Ghanshyam. घनश्याम जी और ये जो डॉक्टर चौधरी हैं, ये ज्योमेट्री में बहुत अच्छे होंगे क्योंकि हर चीज में टेंजेंट चले जाते हैं। घनश्याम जी ने पूछा, डिस्कशन कुछ और हो रही है, इन्होंने कहा ये बताइए चीफ इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर कौन है? वो मिस्टर सुब्रमण्यन। और घनश्याम जी मैं आपको ये भी बता दूं कि 7 दिसंबर तक उनके टेन्योर है, उसके बाद ही नहीं आएगा, तो अभी 1 महीना है। लेकिन मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाहता हूं, आप ये बताइए कि अखिलेश यादव जी की सरकार में हु वाज द शुगर इंडस्ट्री एंड शुगर केन डेवलपमेंट मिनिस्टर?
देखिए, ये कहना कि मैंने पूछा कि
नाम बताइए।
चीफ इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर कौन है,
नाम बताइए।
ये तो
Who was the
आपका
sugar industry and
जो जवाब है वो जो
development
जाने वाला है
minister?
उसका जवाब है। दूसरी बात,
Who
ये मैंने
was
पूछा कि-
who was the
एक
sugar
सेकंड, आपने
cane
सवाल
industry
पूछा, मुझे जवाब देने
minister?
दीजिए। मैंने पूछा कि, और आपसे नहीं पूछा, मैंने नविका जी से पूछा, गौरव भाटिया से पूछा
आपने कहा पैनलिस्ट, आपने पैनलिस्ट का नाम दिया। घनश्याम जी,
असंतुष्ट मत होइए, मुझे जवाब देने दीजिए।
घनश्याम जी, सॉरी, आप नाम बताइए ना।
कितना बॉक्स लाइए, मुझे जवाब देने दीजिए। ये
Cannot place
कौन से
में
बॉक्स
मोदी जी
लाइए?
कोई बात नहीं, ऑनलाइन टेस्ट में जैसे बुक खोलकर जवाब देते हैं वैसे ही दे दीजिए। गूगल कर लीजिए, 2 मिनट का टाइम देती हूँ, गूगल कर लीजिए। गूगल माता कुछ ना कुछ तो बता ही देगी, गूगल माता कुछ ना कुछ बता ही देगी आपको। आपको केदारनाथ धाम पे विश्वास नहीं है, गूगल माता पे होगा, गूगल माता पे चले जाइए, वो ही बता देगी कि शुगर और शुगर केन मंत्री कौन थे।
इस तरीके से तो आप मुझे जवाब दे दीजिए। दिवाली है, पटाखे फुलझड़ी मत भरिए, मुझे जवाब देने दीजिए। पूरे डिबेट में अभी तक गौरव भाटिया
नहीं, पूरे डिबेट में आपके हर सवाल का जवाब हो गया, इंक्लूडिंग चीफ इकोनॉमिक एडवाइजर कौन है। आपने शुगर मिनिस्टर का जवाब नहीं दिया।